Hello, welcome. This is a video on conditional probabilities, and here I can use a two-way table, or I can use a Venn diagram, or I could just use the formula. This is what's the probability? What they're asking us here is the probability of somebody from this sample being freshman, given that they are female. So let's go back and read. I'm skipping ahead a little bit. At BYU Provo, out of 100 sample students, 27 students were freshmen, and 51 students were female. 15 students were freshman females. If a student is selected at random, determine the following probability. What's the probability that they are freshmen, given that they are female? And so remember that the probability of A, I'm going to call A being freshman and B being female. The probability of A given B is the total. It's the total in A intersect B, or the total in A and B over the total in B. And the total in A and B is, let's see here, I'm going to color code this if I can. 15 students were freshman females. They are both freshmen and females. And that's out of the total in B. The total in B is females. Let's go back and make this one blue. So those that were freshman females is let's see. The total in B. The total in B. B is how many were female, and that's 15. But the total number of freshman females is 15. Let's see. So in this case, that's 15 out of 51. And let's see, both of those are divisible by 3. So 3 will go into 15. That's 3 times 5 is 15. And 51 is 3 times 17. And so this simplifies to 5/17 as a simplified fraction. Bear in mind, you can do this on your calculator. If you take 15 over 51, 15 divide by 51. This is an example of how it might look on a Texas Instruments 84, TI 84. But I hit enter, and it gives me that decimal. But then if I hit math and then enter twice, enter, it'll give it back to me as a simplified fraction, 5/17. And the decimal, we already had it there. What was it? 0.29. 0.29. And then as a percent, that's 29.41. 29.41%. And that's how we do this. Oh, so if we had a Venn diagram, the first thing we'd fill in the Venn diagram was the middle, those that are freshmen and female. This one goes in both circles because they are both freshmen and they're female. And so those that would go in the female, you wouldn't just put 51 there because you've already put 15 of them there. So 51 minus 15. And that would be, let's see, 6 here and 3. So there'd be 36. And same with the freshmen. I wouldn't just put 27. I would take 27 and take away the 15 that I've already put in. And that would be here 2, 12. And then if you add those all together, if you take the 50, I know that that 15 plus 36 is the females, that's 51. If I take 51 and I add that to 12, that's the total that are both freshmen and or female. And that would be 363. So the total that are not either, just to fill out the Venn diagram, so you get practice here, that would be 37. So altogether, if you add those numbers together, you're going to get the 100 that were in the sample space. But if you're just looking at those, the probability of freshmen, given that they're female, your total number in B is all those that are female. That's the 51. Out of those that are both freshmen and female. And that's just those. That's the intersection of those two. And so it's 15 over 51, and we've already calculated that. So that's the answer here that we've got right there. En español dice, en BYU, que está en Provo, de 100 alumnos, de 100 alumnos, de 100 alumnos que fueron en una encuesta, 27 alumnos fueron freshmen del año inicial. And 51 were female. Y 51 de los alumnos eran mujeres. 15 were freshman females. 15 de los alumnos eran del primer año y también mujeres. Si una alumna fue seleccionada al azar, o un alumno, determina la probabilidad siguiente. La probabilidad de que fuera un freshman del año inicial y también una mujer. Como pista dice, una tabla o un diagrama Venn podría ser útil. La fórmula es esta. La probabilidad de A dado B es el total en A y B sobre el total en B. Y los números en eso son 15. Si vamos aquí 15, que eran freshman females, y eso es lo de abajo. Y eso sobre perdón, no lo de abajo. Eso es lo de arriba. Y el total de abajo eran estos 51 que eran mujeres. Entonces, si lo simplificas, da esto. Si quieres ver cómo hacerlo en un diagrama Venn, puedes hacer pausa, estudiar esto, chequear lo que dije y lo que hice. Y si me tiene preguntas, pues me avisa.